right, moment of truth. Went ahead and removed the old power supply there. We have a new one in place with our cables. Actually went with a blue cable just for the control board, and then red ones for the actual hash boards. 3 total hash boards in this Z9 Mini. We just have dedicated Ethernet here, and I did go ahead and plug it into a watt meter. We'll see how close we actually get to 300 watts. All right, you ready to power this on? I'm going to press this little white button right here. 3, 2, and 1. Oh man, there we have it. Check it out. All right, let's jump over to the computer and let's talk about what in the world I'm doing.